Hi there, this is Ranjit from tech2buzz.com, and today I have a question from one of our users. He basically wants to build a new computer basically for gaming, and his budget is approximately 75,000 rupees, approximately $1,800. He has given us a config. First we'll have a look at that config, and I'll also give some suggestions regarding the same. I would also love to have feedback from you, so if you have the suggestions, please submit them in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. So first let's look at the configuration that's given by this user. His name is Vasu, and the email goes like this. I want to make a PC with a budget of 75,000, and this is the config that he has. He selected the motherboard, that's a Asus based on the Z68 chipsets. And to be frank, this is a really good motherboard, so you can't go wrong with the same. The second thing is for the processor, he has selected the i7 2006K processor. As it's a K processor, it can be overclocked. No problems in that. But I wanted to ask Vasu one question. If this computer is just plainly for gaming, I think so you can save some money by just going with the Core i5 2500K processor, because for just gaming, a i7 processor is seriously not required. But if you are a lot into video encoding or work with a lot of media and heavy applications, then the i7 makes sense. Next, for the graphic card, he's looking at an ATI Radeon HD 6870 graphic card. This is a mid-range graphic card. It's a pretty good card. I would love to hear the suggestions from all of you regarding this card. I also have one more suggestion regarding the graphic card, and that's from NVIDIA. In this pricing, you can also get the NVIDIA 560 GT card. So also have a look at that. Next, for the RAM, 8 GB is more than enough. Again, I would say that as you're trying to build a gaming computer, you can go with the 1600 MHz RAM instead of the standard 133 MHz. Next, we have the BenQ HD LCD monitor. That's 22-inch monitor. Vasu, you haven't mentioned the exact model name of the model number for the monitor, so I'm assuming it's basically a TN display. That's what you normally get. And that's great for gaming. If you're just using this computer for gaming, a TN display is great. But if you're going to use this computer for any graphic or photography work, I seriously suggest that you look at the IPS panel. If you guys have any other suggestions, please mention that in the comments below. Next, it's a standard mouse, keyboard. I won't get into that. Cases, basically he wants a Cooler Master case, not a problem. And next we have the SMPS. Basically, Vasu, I would suggest that instead of going with a Cooler Master SMPS, I would suggest that you go with the Crosshair, Antec or FSP SMPS. And I would say that go with a minimum of 550 watts for your system. That'll be a good option. Next, he's preferring a Western Digital 500 GB hard drive. Vasu, the price for a 500 GB hard drive is approximately 1900 bucks. And in my opinion, you can put a 1 terabyte hard drive for just about 2,800 rupees. So keep that into mind. Next, Sony DVD-ROM, not a problem. Eyeball UPS. Frankly speaking, I have no experience with the eyeball UPS. I personally have been using the APC UPS for a long time and have been very satisfied with the same. Next, the Logitech speakers. Overall, the config looks good. Just keep in mind about the processor and the monitor, the tips that I have mentioned. Also, if you have some spare budget, I would suggest that you should seriously also look into installing a SSD drive for your boot drive. You can go with a small size SSD drive, for example, between 60 to 90 GB, and basically make the C drive of your Windows use the SSD. Thereby, your system will be really responsive. You can install the other media and heavy apps etc. on your other traditional hard drive, that's the 500 or the 1 terabyte hard drive. By using a SSD drive, your system will be a lot more responsive. So these are my suggestions for your computer build. If you have any other suggestions, please share them in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate the same. So that's it for now. This is Ranjit for tech2buzz.com, and hopefully I'm going to see you in my next video.